There's not much in there.
No, there's stuff in there, trust me.
Really?
I was here the other day, there's stuff. There's good stuff.
I'll believe you. There's a sensor light. Go around. Lights out.
Hey, look at this.
Very nice. But it's not what we're after.
Don't micromanage how I burgle.
I'm not. But you have to ask yourself, do you really want to go to jail for a pumpkin?
No.
Good. Put it back. $2:30.
Oh, can you just do it, please?
No, you've got to learn. Come on, mate. I believe in you. Come on.
What was that?
Give it to me. Get out. We're all right. It's all right.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Come on. Mask down. Come on. Slow down. Let's have a look around. See what's here.
There's nothing, it's like furniture and books.
So, if there's nothing to sell, what do we look for?
Something personal.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Why?
Ransom,
Yes?
blackmail, extortion.
Great. You know this stuff. Good work. Well done.
What is extortion?
Shh. What was that?
They're coming every like 40 seconds.
Thought you said there was no one home.
I didn't think anyone was home.
She's probably called the ambos. Come on, let's get out of here.
Wait.
Don't just stand there. Come on.
Who are you?
Don't worry. I'm here to help.
I think it's coming.
Okay, just push. And breathe and push. Breathe and push. I can see the head. You're doing so good. It's coming. Just push. One last push. You've got this. Oh my God. You did it. Oh my God. You did it. Oh my God. It's a boy. You did it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Drive. I got the baby.
Why?
Ransom.
A genius. I know I've been hard on you, but it's only because I've always believed in you, buddy.
Thank you. Thank you.